So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with the post market analysis, and today was the last day for the week. So what we are going to do today is we are not just going to look at the daily, hourly and minutes chart, but we are also going to look at the monthly candle, that how the formation of the monthly candle is going on right now, as well as we are going to look at the weekly candle, because that's very important now, because the weekly candle has been made, so we have to check that out, because on the daily candle the Nifty 50 still looks bullish. There are no reversal signs in the Bank Nifty daily charts. So let's see on the longer time frame that how the candle formation is going on the monthly chart, and how's the candle of the weekly chart. Okay, so switching to the monthly chart first. So looking at the monthly chart, so the candle looks, it's not completely in control bullishness. We can see the prices are still higher, but the body is small, means the movement in the market was quite good in these days. As we can see, the long wicks are telling the volatility is much. So but the thing is that the prices have moved much in this particular month till now, in the starting 4 days. But we can't decide upon as to what this candle tells us. We can predict after 2 weeks or in the third running week, but we can't decide it on the 4th day of the month that what does this candle means. Okay, so will not give significance, just here to confirm that is the candle formation is going in line with the daily and the weekly chart. So definitely it is in line with that. As we can see, a green candle is formation. Now looking at the weekly candle, this is the last week candle, the candle that has finished today. As we can see, this is a complete bullish candle and completely in control with very small wicks. So bulls were completely in control this week. So as of now, we have not received a single signal till now that market can reverse from here. Okay, even today we have seen that the RBI had cut the GDP forecast from 10.5% to 9% something. I don't remember the exact figure, but RBI has cut the GDP growth figure, but still that's not reflected in the market, because market moves ahead of these newses. People, the vigilance in the market already knew that such kind of news can come out. So market always have expectations. So might be market was expecting, or market knew that this kind of forecast is going to came out. That's why market has not reacted too badly on that news, correct? That's why. And the thing is that on the weekly chart, as we can see, a comprehensively bullish candle. So on the weekly basis, we are still bullish on the market, and I am bullish on the market from the past few days. And daily we can see markets making new high or breaking a record and making new highs. That means that anybody on the longer time frame who is listening to us, who is listening to our videos, know that they need to be bullish, and they must have bought some sort of call option and they are running the profit. So congratulations to all of those. Now I am coming to the daily chart, and we will be talking about the intraday traders, correct? So looking at the intraday chart, again you can see that I have told you that market might try to fill this gap, and market has came there to fill the gap but was not completely able to do that, and market just taken support from the same level as the yesterday's candle and has reverted, correct, to close at the upper level prices. So this candle is also, you can see the candle is red. The candle by its color is bearish, but you can feel the sentiments. The prices have today also opened higher, means the bulls are in still control, and there is not a single sign according to the price action that there are any signs for the reversal. We have to wait for signs to come that whether we have to take a reversal call on the longer time frame or not. As far as there is not a single signal I can get which tells me that okay, this is the time the market can reverse. So we need to be aware, we need to close our any bullish positions, and we might to wait, and we might to look for any bearish positions. As far as there is not a single signal, as we can see on the chart. If you have a little knowledge, if you are even listening to us, you are listening to our videos, then also you can also understand there are no signs as of now through which we can predict that okay, market can turn around, correct? So here you can see this gap is here, and I had told you that this gap might get filled, and you can see this particular candle market tried to fill this gap but was not able to do so, and has closed higher than this level. As you can see, this last candle today made by the market is again a candle of indecision, correct? This again is a candle of indecision. Today you can see market has opened higher, but you can see that market was in a range, so there was not such movement. Correct, there was not such movement. And looking at this candle, anybody could have understood that this candle made at the top is the mean that market can reverse, and after the opening of this candle or movement of this candle, one might have understood that market can fall now, or market the prices can get lower, and the prices came lower and they came to closed lower. Correct. So so market is giving quite easy signals for us to trade on the intraday basis. So you can see that again the consolidation was there, as I had talked about it yesterday, that market will consolidate after the early hours movement. Correct. And market has did so. So again we have to wait for the Monday opening. I'm talking about day traders. For the longer time frame, for the positional swing traders, I have cleared my position, but for the day traders are those who don't carry forward any positions. So I hope you are not carrying any position, any day trader listening to the video. For the swing and the positional trader, our position is very clear, our analysis is very clear as far as no signs for the reversal. But if reversal happens for any of the reason outside the price action, we can't predict that. Correct, we can't predict that. As far as the price action, the charts are concerned, there are not a single sign of the reversal, so you can hold your long position. Apart from that, if still market falls and loss happens, then that's the market, that's the uncertainty of the market. You can't predict everything correctly, right? But you have to play with the probabilities. You might have your stop losses, so be ready with them, because anytime at the top of the market we can receive any signal, right? So positional trader and swing traders also have to keep looking at the daily and the hourly chart to find out, is there any big event going in the market? If yes, market is going through a big event, or it is giving a big bearish signal on the shorter time frame, then you need to be very cautious about your position which you have taken based upon the longer time frame, because the shorter time frame movement will get constituted to make the big time frame movement. So you need to be aware of that, and you need to keep a close eye on such sort of movements. Correct. That's why I keep on telling that keep looking for these indecision. This indecision has been made. Now remember, yesterday also I had told you that indecision candle has been made. So according to the opening, the movement will be there in the market. But you can see that today's first candle is again a reversal candle, and confirmation came with the second candle. So anybody going long after this is such a stupid act. After listening to our videos, or after we have made a proper video on the indecision, that how you can trade on the indecision. Correct. After that also somebody going long is a foolish act. We do not support, or we do not encourage that at all. So I hope nobody got trapped into this candle. I hope so, because this candle is not a bullish candle. You can't go long on this sort of candle. This is a hanging man. You can't go long on a hanging man. Correct. Made at the top, and after that you can see a red opening of prices going below the closing. You can't go long. You can see this candle. The candle's opening was we can see the opening of this candle was as 15,728, and the closing of this candle, so a slight difference you can see in the opening and the closing of this candle. Correct. You can see the slight difference in the opening and closing of this candle. So you can't go long on this kind of bearish candle where prices are falling continuously. If prices are falling continuously, then you have to look at the shorter time frame. You have to look at the shorter time frame. You have to go to the 15 minutes chart to identify that what sort of movement is coming in the market. What should you do? This is the 10-15 candle. Now look at this. Now look at the candle made on the 15 minutes chart. Correct. What is the candle made on the 15 minutes chart? On the 10-15 indecision, bearish candle, and then market falls. So anybody who is a day trader could have easily identified this indecision candle, the confirmation, and the fall in the market. Correct. So day trader needs to put an eye on the hourly chart, on the 15-minute chart, and on the 5-minute chart. So there was a clear-cut signal on the 15-minute chart at 10:15. Correct. So this is the indecision made at the 3:15. I have told you, take your trade decision depending upon the today's opening. And as you can see, today's opening, another indecision, then you can see that this signal came. Even if you have taken a short call based upon this signal, then again an indecision came, and then we have seen a good fall in the market. So anybody who is just trading on this simple logic of indecision are able to book good amount of profit. So guys, what are you waiting for? Correct. Go watch that indecision video, or even listen to our analysis video. We are telling you how to trade based upon in the based upon these indecisions, and you can trade accordingly. Again, the indecision has been made by the market on the final 15 minutes, so I hope you guys will be able to trade based upon that. So we are clear about our positional trading, we are clear about our long-term charts. Now we are also clear about our short-term charts and how to trade based upon them. So now we will be moving to the Bank Nifty and we'll be looking at how Bank Nifty looks. So here is the Bank Nifty chart, but similarly we are going to start with the monthly candle. So you can see a bearish candle is in making, but this is not candle of reversal, and this candle is not complete, so we are not going to trust this. We are going to move to the weekly chart, the candle which is completed. So you can see a candle which is not so comprehensive. We can see an indecision candle, but still market made a higher low, means it is approaching towards its all-time high. So we have to see, but yeah, this candle is not as bullish as of Nifty 50, but still we have to believe this candle. Reason is that firstly, this is obviously green candle and made a higher low, and the second thing, these both indices are so highly correlated that if we are seeing some sort of bull movement in one, then we also have to believe that, correct? So now moving to the daily charts. So consolidated movement, not much movement. You can see these candles, not much difference between the high and lows of these candles. So yeah, not much to see here. Daily intraday opportunities has been given by the market, and they are given with the signal also. Indecision, confirmation, fall in the market, correct? So the thing is that you have to wait for the confirmation. You can't jump to take the trade. Okay, indecision is made, now let's take the trade. No, dear, wait for the confirmation. Is confirmation is coming on the shorter time frame also? Is confirmation is there on the longer time frame also? If yes, there is a confirmation, then be strong, then very effectively that trade can go with real good profits, right? So you have to wait and you have to watch. And as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, I am completely in a zone where I'll be trusting more on the Nifty 50's direction, and then I'll take my trade in the Bank Nifty also based upon that. Whatever Bank Nifty says in isolation is also important, but looking at both of these indices together is also really important. So as of now, the morning I think is going to be little positive for both the markets, the Monday morning, but let's see what happens. But on the longer time frame, definitely we are bullish, and we have to be bullish until unless we start receiving some reversal signs from the shorter time frame, which are later on going to get incorporated in the longer time frame. So I hope you understood everything. No stocks for today. Apart from that, then Titan, IndusInd Bank, we had good profits. We have shared a short about that also with you on the YouTube, so you can go and check that. We are not going to repeatedly tell you same thing. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.